Before we get started, get the two-way switch from your toolbox. I wanted you to compare it with your one-way switch and make a note of what are the difference. Now let's get into the video to know how a two-way switch works. Flip your two-way switch and identify the three terminals, which looks like this. The center terminal is called a pole, and the other two terminals can be load 1 and load 2, which represents that two gadgets can be connected like this. When the switch is pressed in the forward direction, the pole and the load 1 is connected. Similarly, when the switch is pressed in the backwards direction, the pole and the load 2 is connected. Any idea how to implement this concept and make your robot move in all four directions? Well, grab your notebook, think for some time, pause this video and then resume it when you get the answer. I hope you have found the answer, but if you haven't, it's okay. Let's get into the video and find out how it can be implemented. Consider I connect the battery to the pole in the switch. So the pole has a positive and a negative terminal. When forward is pressed, the pole's positive and the negative is connected to the load, where now the load 1 has a positive and a negative terminal. If the load 1 is connected to the motor starts to rotate. Now, when the switch is pressed in the reverse direction, then the pole's positive and negative terminal is connected to the load 2. The load 2 now has a positive and a negative. When this positive and the negative is connected to the load 1 in the inverted way, the motor's terminal is changed and the motor rotates in the opposite direction. I hope you have understood how a two-way switch works. This is a very important video, and if you have any doubts, please go through the video again, and if you still have any doubts, comment below. If you are very clear on how to do, let's get into the next video on building your robot. See you on the next video.